How to buy Clipper Card. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. Today I'm going to offer a general overview on how to obtain a Clipper Card based on standard practices. So first of all, you have to visit the Clipper Card website, which is clippercard.com. Locate the section for purchasing a new card, select the card type, choose the desired card type such as adult, youth or senior, etc. Then after, once you have chosen your card type, add it to your cart. You may need to provide personal information like your name, address, and email for the shipping and contact purposes. Proceed to the payment section and input your payment information, which could include credit or debit card or other online payment methods. Now review your order details including the card type, quantity, and total cost, and then confirm your purchase. Upon completing the purchase, your Clipper Card will be dispatched to the specified address. Find nearby retail outlets that sell Clipper Cards such as transit agency offices, grocery stores, convenience stores, and other authorized sellers. Visit the selected store during their operating hours, and once in the store, select the type of the Clipper Card you wish to purchase. Proceed to the checkout and pay for the card using accepted methods like the cash, credit or debit cards, or other forms of the payment. After buying the card, you may need to activate it online or through the phone. Follow the instructions provided with the card or visit the Clipper Card website for the activation guidance. Some other methods are transit stations. Some transit stations may have the vending machines to buying and loading Clipper Cards. Check if you can purchase and manage your Clipper Card through the official Clipper Card mobile app if available. Be mindful of any initial fees linked to the purchasing of Clipper Card. Once you have the card, you will need to load it with a fair value or passes to use it for the transit. It's recommended to register your card online for balance protection and efficient management. For any problems or queries, reach out to the Clipper Card customer service for the assistance. And always ensure that you rely on the trustworthy sources as procedures and regulations may evolve. So this is basically on how to buy the Clipper Card. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.